let's go, let's go, let's roll, let's roll.
Good morning students, I am Sagar Japati, your math teacher. I wish all of you are fine in your home. Due to pandemic, corona and long term holiday, our principals are initiated online classes for you. Okay students, today I will discuss your chapter 1, that is a review. Okay, have a look. Chapter 1, that is a review. Before going to this chapter, I will discuss on digit. What is digit? Digit means a single symbol that is used to make number. There are 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 10 digits, but 0 is a special digit which has no value. 0 is valueless. If you will add 0 after any number, then it will be increase the value of that number. Suppose 0, it has no value, yes or no? If you will add 0 after 1, then it will be 10, yes or no? So 0 has no value except 0. There are 1 to 9 digits. Okay. So 1 digit, smallest number is 1, because 1 digit number starts from 1, and 1 digit greatest number, that is 9, because 1 digit number ends in 9. Okay, then 1 digit के बाद 2 digit number, 2 digit smallest number, that is 10. Then 2 digit greatest number, that is 99. After that I will go 3 digit number, 3 digit smallest number, that is 100. After 99, that is 100. Then 3 digit greatest number, that is 999. Okay. So you have to write it in your copy. Okay. Then I will go number name. Then next comes to the point, number name. How you read the number, that is the number name of that number. Just write down 13, 1, 3, 13. How you read 1, 3? Now that is 13. So write down 13. Okay. Another example, 99. That is how you read 99, yes or no? So write down 99. Sorry, there is a mistake. 99, yes or no? So this is your number name. Next comes to the point. This is how you read the number. Then that is called a number name. Next comes to the point, place value. Place value means the value of the digit is called place value. So write down one example. This is 103 and here underlined about 3. So what is the place value of 3? Okay. So this is your question and you have to write the place value of 3. So you know that this is unit place, ones place, and then which place it contains? Now 3 is in ones place. Then you have to write 3 ones. Place value of 3 is PV of 3 is equal to 3 ones. Next example 2, 950, and you have to write the PV of 9, that means place value of 9. Which place contain 9? This is ones place, this is tens, and here 3 digit means last place, that is 100 place. 100 place, yes or no? So PV of 9 is 900, or you can write 900. Okay. So another thing, whenever you are writing place value of number, then you can write both in number and words. Like 900 means 900, and another one is 900. Both number and in words. You can write the number name of the given number. Okay. That I discussed here, you have already learnt from standard 1 in previous class. Okay. In previous year you have learnt all the thing that I have discussed today. Next come to face value. Face value. Face value means what? Face value means the number itself is called face value of that number. Suppose given number is 103. And you have to find the face value of 3, FV. FV of 3. FV means face value. So face value of 3 is equal to the number itself. The digit itself is called face value of that number. The digit is 3. So you have to write 3. 3 is the face value of 3. Another example, 95. FV of 9. FV of 9 is equal to also 9, because the digit itself is 9. The digit itself is 9, so the face value of 9 is also 9. Okay, then okay. After place value and face value, you will learn expanded form that you learned in your previous year. So now we will discuss some more digit for expanding. Okay, so write down expanded form. Expanded form. Expanded form means expansion of the digit, place value of the digit, expansion of the place value. Okay, so write down, give an example. Suppose 103 is given to you. Okay, this is what? This is 103. Okay, so you have to expand this number 103. How expand? So just write down the place value of first digit. This is your first digit and the place value of first digit is 100. Okay, after that, what is the place value of 0? Now, place value of 0 is always 0. Okay, so write down 0. Next, the place value of 3. The place value of 3 is 3. Okay, this is your expanded form. Expanded form. Otherwise you can write this expansion in number. How? 100 and 0 has no value, so write down 100 and 3 ones. 3 ones. Okay, 100 and 3 ones. You can write here number 1. Okay, so 100 and 3 ones. This is also expanded form and the above expansion also the expanded form. Okay, after that I will write another example. This is 99. Okay, so write down the expanded form. First write first numbers, place value. This is 90 and another one is 9. Okay, same as you can write it in words. Okay. Next, come to the point. This is the opposite of expanded form, that is short form. Write down short form. Okay. Short form means what? Given question will be expansion and you have to write it in short form. So, example 1 is 100 plus 90 plus 1. So, you have to sort this expansion. Okay, how can you sort? Now, this is 3-digit number, yes or no? So, this is 3-digit number and you have to write first number. This is the greatest than all these expansions. So, you have to write first 1, then 2-digit, 3-digit, after that 2-digit, that is 9, then 1-digit, this is 1. This is the short form of this expansion. Okay. Example 2. 900 plus 5. Okay. You may confuse in this case because here is 3-digit and 2-digit is vacant and last one is 1-digit. So, how you sort this number? Now, first you write down 9. Okay. First you write down 9. And if tens place is absent here, then you have to write 0 in that place. After that, you have to write 5. Okay. This is your short form. Next example. Example 3. 500 plus 20 plus 2. This expansion is given to you and you have to write the short form of this number. So, how you write? Now, first you have to write 5, same process, then 2 because 2-digit number is present here, tens place is present here, then 1's place digit, that is also 2. Okay. This is the short form. Okay. Now, finished the short form. Okay. You have to write it in your copy. This is all about your previous class. That means this class was a discussion class for your better learning. I was discuss these things. So, you have to learn it properly, then I will proceed. Okay. If you have any doubt, then you can contact through my WhatsApp number. This is my number 87632 00375. Okay. Thank you all.